Gutzandglory is a young Belgian advertising agency built on commitment to its clients and creative solutions. Fast growing, the agency was looking for a wide range of new talents. But how could they stand out amongst big renowned agencies and only get applications from people that are dedicated enough? Introducing the Blacklist Application. A bold recruitment campaign asking candidates to put all other Belgian ad agencies on a blacklist in order to gain access to our vacancies. On blacklistapplication.be, visitors discovered a preview of the different job positions without being able to access them. To unlock them, all they had to do was install the Blacklist Application extension on their browser. This extension then acted as a very effective filter, blocking access to websites of other Belgian agencies, Facebook pages, Twitter, or even LinkedIn. And for the boldest ones among them, a very deterrent name changer was active wherever they went, such as there or there. As a reward, they could then freely apply for a job and enjoy a browsing experience without being distracted by any other agency. The campaign was covered on major advertising websites, both nationally and worldwide, which resulted in an increase of 900% of traffic to our website. People soon started sharing the Blacklist application on their social media profiles, making it a relevant job ad. So, it was no surprise that we reached every major competitor in the week of its launch, and most importantly, all our vacant positions were fulfilled. All thanks to the Blacklist application.